Hello YouTube family and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. A new year is like a blank canvas, painted with bold strokes of kindness, laughter and purpose. Happy New Year! Xiaomi Wi-Fi 6 router, the model AX3000T from AliExpress. Link with discount code down below at the description. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the Ethernet cable with a length 1 meter, Cat 5e, the power adapter with a cable length 1.2 meters, 12 volt 1 amp the output, and the adapter, Euro adapter. Manual. If you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. And the router, white color, only available on white color. The antennas, high performance dual band Wi-Fi antennas, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz for up to 3000 megabytes per second wireless speed. Xiaomi, one LED indicator here. Ventilation, you can have the antennas only at this position. Ventilation and at the bottom here. The button for the mesh networking technology for full home coverage. 4 self-adaptive 1 LAN port 1G. Here you can connect the power. And we have the reset button. We have NFC One Touch to connect without a password. With OFDMA technology allows for simultaneous multi-device data transmission. With wall penetration to reach more rooms. IPTV single line multiplexing. And at the heart of the router is a new generation 12 nanometer dual core 1.3 GHz processor with a 256 MB of memory that can provide a stable connection for up to 128 devices. Smartphones, TVs, smart appliances, cameras and more. Supports web My Home Xiaomi app for Android and iOS. So I will start the setup from the Xiaomi app. Let's plug it in and power on. Xiaomi app, add device, AX3000T. Connect to Wi-Fi. On the smartphone Wi-Fi settings, choose the RD03. Going back, set up as new router or extending an existing mesh network if you have a second or third device. New router. Continue. Combine it dual band if you want to have only one Wi-Fi. Disable to have the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz separately. Enter the password. Something easy for now. Later I will rename the Wi-Fi name and the password to match with my old router and connect all my devices. Set the Wi-Fi password as the router administrator password, disable enable. For an improved user experience, the firmware version is automatically upgraded when the router is idle. Enable 160 MHz bandwidth. Next step. Blue LED indicator. Before was orange. Please connect to the Wi-Fi network of the router to be paired. Enter the password. Connect. Pair router. Set room, balcony, living room. You can rename the router. And there it is, connected. Only one device is connected right now. Mesh network devices, you can add second. Device management, I will show you later when I will connect all the other devices. The QR code to share the Wi-Fi network. Hide or unhide. Wi-Fi settings. Again, you can activate the multi-band steering. Wi-Fi, MIMU, disable enable. Switch to Wi-Fi 5 mode to resolve compatibility issues with legacy devices. Quick Connect automatically discovers and initializes devices that support Quick Connect. Disable or enable. 2.4 GHz, network frequency band or 5 GHz. Undefined 2.4. Encryption method, you can choose one of these. Signal strength, pass wall performance, standard or power saving. Wireless channel, auto, or you can choose from 1 to 13. Bandwidth, 2040 or 20 or 40. No hidden networks detected. Disable. 5 GHz. Undefined 5 GHz disable or enable. Encryption method, you can choose one of these. Signal strength. Wireless channel, auto, or from 36 to 165. Bandwidth 20, 40, 80 or 160 MHz, or you can choose 20, 40 or 80. No hidden networks detected. Enable, disable. Back again. And here you can rename the Wi-Fi name and change the password for the 2.4 and 5 GHz. Internet connection mode settings. Switch modes, you can choose one of these. Broadband internet connection, static IP internet connection, access point or wireless repeater. I like that. Current mode, configuration mode, optional or manual. DNS 1 and 2, optional. One port selection, it is on auto. Connect it on 4. Manual select a fixed one port, you can do that. Or auto. One network information. Network settings again the same. Time it restart. You can add timer, repeat, run once, router restart time, adjust the hour and the minute, every day, Monday to Friday, or custom choose the days of the week. Manage password, you can change the password for the settings. Restart router, upgrade assistant, nothing. Automatically upgrade router, disable enable, and time settings. Restore router to factory settings, LED indicator controls, disable, enable, timer controls. If you don't like the light, adjust the time and it will switch off. IPTV, enable, ISP profile, custom or bridge, and you can adjust the settings. NFC, it is on. If I will tap, I get notification and I can connect to this network. Connecting. If you want, you can disable. LAN port aggregation. Aggregate 2 LAN ports for a doubled port speed. Nice, I like that. You can choose which port you want and save. QoS speed limits, you can enable or disable the upload and download. Wi-Fi optimization, set timer to disable Wi-Fi. Add timer, again the same. Guest Wi-Fi, You can enable that, the name, the password, encryption method, period on, anti-hacking protection, enable disable, anti-hacking protection, blacklisted devices, block non-whitelisted devices, anti-hacking protection, low, medium or high. Blacklist devices I don't have right now, and I can enter my device. Wi-Fi password security level, it is low, I need to change that. Router administration password, I can change again. WPS, turn on WPS now, and it is on, waiting for device to connect, automatically disable it after 2 minutes. And we have some other apps. This router is the Chinese version, so I hope it will have a better signal. Family internet access, nice. So that is all the settings for this router. Device name, manage location, product info, okay. I have just connected all my devices to this new router, and we can see one by one the 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz. You can rename the device, data usage, upload, download, signal strength strong, smart speed limiting, device information. You can add to block list, anti-hacking protection, block list, one device, add more, select all, deselect, edit, delete the blocked device. So many settings. I like when a device gives you so many settings to adjust to your needs. Now let's check the Wi-Fi performance. Easy setup and management via a user-friendly mobile app. Ideal for online gaming and UHD video streaming with low latency. Perfect for households with multiple devices requiring fast, stable connections. Is a high-performance dual-band router designed to deliver fast, reliable and seamless internet connectivity. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 technology, it provides superior speed, reduced latency and better performance for multiple connected devices that require fast, stable connections. Offers cutting-edge features and robust performance, making it a fantastic choice for high-speed internet in modern homes and small offices. Its support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard ensures you stay ahead in the world of seamless connectivity. And that's the Xiaomi Wi-Fi 6 router AX3000T. With its ultra-fast speeds, low latency and powerful connectivity, this router is a must-have for seamless streaming, gaming and smart home setups. Whether you are looking to upgrade your home network or boost your internet performance, this router delivers top-tier results. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, networking tips and smart home guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay connected, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video.